Hi there, this is an era. The lock we have here today is a common lock from Japan. This is called the Gold S, a small version of the lineup of gold locks from Japan. So they have a more bigger locks and more security features like the D9, Gold D9, Gold P, Gold C. That's it. So this is a 5 pin tumbler lock. So let's try to, but first, this is the key. It has a S here, the back. So let's check if this lock is working, and it is. So let's pick it. Okay. We're in a default set. Okay. Okay. We open it. Okay. Okay. Let's get this lock so we can see what's inside. Sorry for the shaky camera. Okay. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Okay. So going to get this lock at the top here. Just going to pop this out, but be careful so the springs don't jump everywhere. This is it. Okay, let's take out the spring first. Have so little springs because this is a really small lock. Okay. Okay. This is the driver. This is the driver pin. Oh, I forgot to turn the core. Okay. Take out all the driver pin first. They all have it's a kind of mushroom driver pins. Okay, one. This is really hard. The pins are too small. Okay, 3. Four. Okay. That's it. So let, let us take out the core. Okay. When you take this out, you have to be careful because there is a very very small ball in here. Let's take this out. A very very small. There it is. Nothing special. Oh, it has a counter milling in here, but it's not that deep enough here. So let's zoom this out. I zoom in. Okay. So there you go. A Japanese lock, Goal S, pick and gutted. If you like the video, please support my channel. It will be a big help for me. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye.